Hi friends, I'm Sagar Patil, working as a manager in a reputed MNC in Pune. I'm close friend with Professor Somnath Salunke from our engineering college days. So it's almost close to a couple of decades that I know him quite well. He's contesting in our Pune graduate legislative constituency. I would like to recommend to vote for him due to various reasons. From day one, I noticed most important quality in a Somnath that he is not a politician but social worker. He has that drive, that passion to do something for the society at large, and he has that fighting spirit and great perseverance for the same. Whether these common people are in a small group, college, district level. So as a person, he is a great fit for such a candidature. Apart from being well educated as a master of engineering in computer science, he is working as a professor for more than a decade, which means that he is working at the grassroots level and has a ground level understanding about the issues and problems that student and pass outs and entire graduate community are facing, and he has much better understanding about the feasible and practical solutions for them, be it at the admissions, jobs, placements, skill development, scholarships, startups, entrepreneurs, overall education system, and the struggle that graduates are facing in the real world. As a graduate voter, it is our first responsibility to choose the candidate carefully and wisely. Vote for eligible candidate based on his caliber, credentials, human qualities, and not based on the money power, political power, or dynasty, or religions. We all know this by brain, but it seems that it doesn't get applied precisely in our elections. Being a well-educated voters, it's our power and correspondingly our responsibility to participate in the voting to celebrate this democracy and importantly vote for the best possible candidate. To summarize, let's vote for our own candidate, Professor Somnath Salunke, who has perfect potential to represent us in the MLC. Thank you.